in a cup tight. He go and make breakfast. You walk around naked. I might just text you. Turn your phone over when it's all over. No settling down, my texts go to your screen. You know better than that, I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on to tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling, you start crying. I come over, I'm you. I can't find you, the girl that I once had. But the sex that we have isn't half bad. Text say that it's not fair. That's cold boy, he's not here. And I'ma flirt with this new girl, and I'ma call if it don't work. So we till it to conclusions. All the things that we thought we were losing. I'm a ghost and you know this. That's why we broke up in the first place. Cause
I want you to know that I'm ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak. I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak.
it's late night Thursday. I know that you heard me, but you don't want the same thing. Well, two can play that game. So I'm chilling with my girlfriend, but she not my real girlfriend. She got a key to my place, but she not my real girlfriend. Stupid, so dummy. Say the wrong thing and wrong girls come running. I'm paranoid that these girls want something from me, and it's hard to make a dime go 100. And my dude freaking out over a worst fate. She on time, but she late for their first date. Cause he went and tried out a new condom. Stopping the good problems, right, wrong. Asking them if she wanna play games with the Super Smash Brothers, but none of them you. I miss the sex where you kiss whenever you're through. It's the only dinner for two. I was wrong, but would you have listened to you? You were crazy. I got a heart, but the art of it's the only thing girls want when you that fucking like.
I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak. I want you to know that I am ready to go. Heartbeat, my heartbeat. I want you to know whenever you are around. Can't speak, I can't speak.
So we're done? This the real? We used to hold hands like field trips. I'm a jerk, but your dude is a real. I read his posts on your wall and I feel sick. He ain't cool, he ballin' all that, but he just a fake, no blog and all cats. You couldn't wait today. I'm going straight for your thighs like the cake you ate. I give a about the niggas that you say you. You know that I'm the best when I'm a fake Nate. I'm the best that you had, face it. Jay and Keisha are related, racist. I give you money, then you Bernie, then you made off. She ain't a killer, but you get up. I know he wondering what the you hiding. That we dated like rats about Bin Laden. Hey yo, this. Are we dating? Are we best friends? Are we something in between that? I wish we never did. I mean that, but not really.